We may enjoy math in everyday activities outside the classroom. Why then does learning math inside the classroom seem so hard to enjoy for some students? These students may show their lack of enthusiasm for math in many ways. They may be confused. They may be frustrated. They may show anxiety. With any or all of these ways, students will come up with excuses as to why they do not enjoy learning the material, such as, "Why do I need to know this? I will never use this information in the real world. Can't I just ask the internet for the answer?" Why do some students have negative feelings towards math? Edukitchen posed the question to teachers and tutors on open education forums, and the two answers focused on two categories: teacher influence and student expectations. Teacher influence means teachers need to be intuitive to their students' emotions and needs for learning the subject matter, as well as confident in the topic they are teaching. Students should expect that learning topics in math are an opportunity to gain knowledge and learn how to become better at problem solving. Edukitchen Recipes for Learning believes in finding the right balance between teacher influence and student expectations. Both teachers and students need to recognize and then communicate 1. The emotions involved in learning, 2. The opportunity to learn something new, and 3. The steps to becoming better problem solvers. Don't forget, a little humor at the right time never hurt anyone. Visit us at edukitchen.net to read more about math in the classroom and the factors that can affect how they learn the subject. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Edukitchen Recipes for Learning. And until next time, remember to keep learning and have fun.